Oh, Lord. Change my title. There we go. Okay, now we got that straight. Okay, let's get ripping on this 2020 Draft Picks Panini Contenders. First off the line. I don't know why it's missing the first off the line sticker, because that is what I bought. Yep. See, there's what? 6 packs, 18 cards a pack, minimum 6 autos. So let's see what we get here. Okay, so I'm gonna slice this. Okay. Put the autos and other things in the back just because I don't want to have to interrupt. Phillip Rivers base, Emmitt Smith base, Todd Gurley base, Josh Jacobs base, Calvin Ridley base, Matt Stafford base, Odell Beckham base, DJ Clark base, Keyshawn Johnson base, McCaffrey base, Miles Sanders base, Deshaun Watson base. Okay, let's set these right here. First auto is going to be a Chase Claypool base. Not a bad player. He toasted up Georgia a little bit that game. If you see any cards you want, emails on the bottom. So CJ Henderson game day ticket, the Michael Perrine game day ticket, College Connections, J.K. Dobbins, KJ Hill, draft class, Justin Jefferson, and a Kyler Murray legacy. Okay, put these in the sleeves. Okay, so again, first auto out of the pack is going to be a Chase Claypool. And for those who watched my last video, I had some issues with sleeves and such. Not anymore. Okay, second pack. Okay, I'm gonna slice these. Okay. Should be in the bag. College connections, Steve Montez, LaVisca Chenault Jr., draft class, Cam Akers, legacy, Bosa Bros. Okay. Stephon Diggs base, Garoppolo base, Baker Mayfield base, Marquise Brown base, Darius Slayton base, Peyton Manning base, Ryan Finley base, James Washington base, Alexander Madison base, Leonard Fournette base, Dak Prescott base, Noah Fant base, and this looks like it's going to be our auto, Adam Trotman. I have no idea who that is. Delaware. Anthony Gordon game day ticket and a Brian Edwards game day ticket. That's fantastic auto. Not really. But, oh well. I do have some more boxes that I will be putting up some break spots for. Don't know if I'm going to do team or player on those yet. Just depends on how much time I want to spend making listings. Okay. Pack number 3. Okay, again. You know what? Screw it. I'm just going to go through them. Ty Johnson base, Keenan Allen base, Christian Kirk base, Michael Thomas base, Derrick Henry base, Russell Wilson base. So here is our auto. Tommy Stevens, Mississippi State. Wow. This is going to be a KJ Hill game day ticket. Donovan Peoples-Jones game day ticket. Oh, here's a pretty decent one here. College connections. Joey Burrow and Justin Jefferson. Jalen Hurts, draft class. Baker Mayfield, Kyler Murray, legacy. Dwayne Haskins base. Terry McLaurin base. Josh Allen base. Good old Brett Favre base. Deontay Johnson base and a Sony Michel base. Gonna top load the Joey B and Justin Jefferson. Definitely more of a fan of the Prism draft picks just because they have a lot of shinies, but still some nice cards here. Where did I put that auto? No, here it went over here. Not at my luck on this box so far. But no worries. 3 more packs to hit that Joey B auto. Cracked ice would be nice, but we'll see if I'm lucky. Okay, 4th pack, here we go. Jacoby Myers, Aaron Rodgers base, Lamar Jackson base, Cortland Sutton base, Hunter Renfrow, the White Flash, Travis Kelce, and then here's going to be our auto, Michael Heron II, Cincinnati. Interesting. Zach Moss, game day ticket. Justin Jefferson, game day ticket. Collegiate Connections, Isaiah Simmons and T. Higgins. Draft class, J.K. Dobbins. Legacy, Jalen Hurts and Tua. Cherry Rice base. Austin Eckler base, Marlon Mack. Daniel Jones, Pat Mahomes, and DK Metcalf. Now for a first off the line box, this is not very loaded, honestly, at all. But Panini is going to Panini. Keep forgetting I have those right there. Come on, pack number 5. Okie dokie. Justice Hill base, Chris Godwin base, Michael Gallup base, Derek Carr base, Royce Freeman base. That's not a name you hear very much. Jacoby Brissett. And a Kyle Duggar auto. I will say, Kyle Duggar was a shock as far as safeties go. Nobody thought he was going to be taken so high. Jordan Love, game day ticket. Keyshawn Vaughn, game day ticket. Henry Ruggs, Jerry Jeudy, connections. Draft class, Jalen Reagor, DJ Clark, and Justin Jefferson's legacy. Bradshaw base, Elway base, Devlin Hodges base. Interesting guy right there. Played with him for a few years. Nick Chubb base, Saquon base, and Jarrett Stidham base. Let's leave him just because why not? Kyle Duggar auto. It's not a bad one, obviously. Not anything special, but oh well. Okay. Obviously, most of these I will top load after this, but for the sake of time, I'm not going to sit here and do every single one. Okay, last pack, pack number 6. Please save me. Seal open. Thank you. Oh, board. Okay. Aaron Jones, Kyler Murray, Preston Williams, Gardner Minshew, coming up on the auto, Tony Pollard, Julio, a Jordan Love optic, should be a Prism auto. Let's see, is this number? No, it is not. Jacob Eason, Michael Pittman, CeeDee Lamb, Jalen Hurts, Connection, Jake Fromm draft class, Mariota and Justin Herbert, Legacy, Amari Cooper, Mark Ingram, Dan Marino, Paris Campbell, DJ Moore, TJ Hawkinson. Well, that sucked. That really, really sucked. But, oh well. Get him sleeved and top loaded, and I'll call it a break. And that's a wrap. So, out of that wonderful box, our 6 autos: Adam Trotman, Chase Claypool, Jordan Love, Prism, Kyle Duggar, Michael Warren, and Tommy Stevens, and then this connections of Joey B and Justin Jefferson. Well, email is going to be on the bottom right there. If you want to buy anything, just comment or shoot me an email. And thanks for watching.